All right, guys, we're going in to episode 2 for this necessary maintenance needed on my Acura. So right here we have the intake manifold that supplies air to the engine filter. This is the box for the engine filter. This side is what sits on the intake manifold, and this side is what sits right here for the actual air intake. And as you can see, it is cracked up and it is seeping air from so many different cracks. I think there's a big one, yep, right there as well. So this thing has busted, and I think this is what's causing a misfire. So I picked one up on Amazon. I will link this in the description below. But quick visual inspection, it is a 1-for-1, very identical, the same mold. It's not gonna be OEM, it's just an aftermarket unit, but it's just gonna work just fine compared to this. I transferred over the spring from the old unit to this one, and then I'm just gonna transfer over this connector right here. Perfect. Now let's install it on the main box. Perfect. Nice and snug on the air box. So we got that fixed. Now let's go ahead and put this back on the engine.